All right, here I am in Madison Township, Ohio, about 15 minutes from my house. Terribly windy day. I normally downstream. People have been asking me, are you going to house wash with the cheap shot? And I keep saying no. And I'm just having too much fun with it. I'm going to shoot about 1% here. That is not algae or mold. That is the door itself. Here we got a bunch of mold. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this. The house isn't much better. The wind is not my friend. When the wind is not your friend, you have to stay close to the project. Kind of helps to alleviate some of the wind. This. Oh, we love these projects. Look at that. Hard to believe you could get this kind of mold with this much direct sunlight. This is really covered back here. All right, just washed and rinsed the back of this barn. Let's check out the front. We have not rinsed yet. Boom shakalaka. Check that out. No rinsing. Have not rinsed yet. It's crazy. All right, as we make our way up onto the roof here so we can get this second story landing, would you do me a big favor? In fact, would you do yourself a big favor? Would you go to YouTube, as you already are, and follow my dear friend Danny Salyer, aka the Mold Ranger, as he, against his better judgment and against any advice that I've ever given him, has started a YouTube channel. It's called the Mold Ranger. That's his name. Joe Deary gave him that name several years ago. And I think that you'll be very blessed to go and follow him. He's a great washer. He and I have been good friends, in fact, best friends for many, many years. We actually went to high school together. We bagged groceries together in high school. We preached together in one another's churches. And now he's washing. He has been washing now for 5 years. He just started his 6th year washing in Saltville, Virginia, and is doing an amazing job. The Mold Ranger. Check him out. I'll put a link in the description. Several of you have been asking about this contraption here. This is a great setup here that my friend Joseph Nalick is put together, and I will leave a link in the description. You can either get this in cam lock fitting or in stainless quick connect. I think he sells the whole thing for $50 plus shipping, something like that. It's great because if you want to switch out guns, you can just simply turn the knob, cut the machine, or cut the flow off rather, and change guns. But I use it so that I can drain the hose so much easier by simply removing the gun, allowing the hose to drain, obviously, much easier. So I'll leave a link in the description for you. Thank you, Joseph. The wind is torturous on this side of the house. Oh. So some were asking about the pump that I use. I choose to use the Harbor Freight 79cc water pump. You may choose to use something else. Whatever you use, it's your pump. You can use a AR-45, 12-volt pump, big boy from Rimco. You can use just about anything, I suppose, with the cheap shot. I do not have a specific pump that I promote, although the only thing I've ever used is the Harbor Freight 79cc. I really enjoy it. So here's where it's going to get real fun. The wind is crazy. Whipping across this great lake here. I don't know if the cheap shot has it in it. Feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? If the cheap shot has it in it. Oh, sure. Absolutely. Oh, well above. Playing the wind a little bit. Using the wind to my advantage.
The winds are howling through the oak trees out back. Dust from the driveways turn the sky near black. Out on the porch with a hose in my hand, I got the cheap shot ready. I got dirt to withstand. Oh, the cheap shot soft wash machine keeps this farmhouse looking mighty clean. On a windy day when life's a bit rough, it scrubs the grime straight off. Ain't that enough?
And this is the dirty side.
Sad and streaked from years in the rain. Mud from the fields leaves its stubborn stains. Out here in country living, we fight the dirt, but my trusty machine makes it all less work. Oh, the cheap shot soft wash machine keeps this farmhouse looking mighty clean. On a windy day when life's a bit rough, it scrubs the grime straight off. Ain't that enough?
In an upcoming video, I'm going to build a brand new one. This was my prototype from way back in the winter. It works great, but I want to use the actual valves that I use on the new model cheap shot, not these janky things. And the best part is I'm going to hand paint it. I mean, I love the one that we have, that we all know and love, but I'm going to hand paint. This is going to be great. It's going to be epic. You're going to love it. So you don't want to miss that one. Be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Hit the bell tab. You'll get to watch me paint a cheap shot. All right, Mike, the fresh rinse, and I'm out.